Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove a watermark from the second page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert remove watermark from the second page. Go to the first page and go to layout menu. Then click breaks drop down menu, choose continuous. Then go to the second page and apply the same process in another page. Then go back the second page and go to insert menu, click header option, choose blank header. Then click link to previous. Then go to the third page and click link to previous. Then click the second page watermark text and delete it. Then click close header and footer. Now we can see we remove the watermark from the second page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.